McLaren navigation installation tutorial. Priya opens the main unit. Disconnect the flat cable. Remove the side panel on the other side. Use a piece of iron wire and thread it to the bottom. Tie the wiring harness firmly to the iron wire. Pull out the wiring harness. Pull out the socket on the original vehicle and insert it into the wiring harness of the main unit. Insert the wiring harness, interface mentioned just now. Pull out the marked sockets of the original vehicle. Connect the Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, and 4G antennas as well. After plugging in all the cables, reinstall the main unit and the lower side panel, and then the installation is completed.